Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making sweet cornbread, or we're going to call it cornbread cake. Now for my ingredients, I have a box of cake mix, I have a cup of butter, 2 boxes of corn muffin mix, or 3/4 cups of milk, and then we have our corn muffin milk, which is a 1/3 cup each box, because I use 4 eggs for my cake mix, and then the Jiffy mix gets 1 egg each, so that's 6 eggs. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so here I'm mixing up my eggs. I'm going to whip those until they are mixed. And then once the eggs are mixed, I am going to add in my milk. And I'm going to fully incorporate that. Now that my eggs and milk are completely mixed. In a large bowl, you want to dump all 3 boxes of dry mixes, 1 cake mix, and 2 boxes of corn muffin mixes. Make sure that those are fully incorporated. And now I'm just going to add my wet to my dry, and I'm going to mix that well. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix all our ingredients together until completely combined. And once that is mixed well, I am going to pour it into my 11 by 17. I'm spraying my pan with some non-stick spray. Here I am pouring in my mixture, my cake mix and cornbread mixture. And you want to bake it for about 30 minutes. Or when you stick a toothpick in the middle until that comes clean. It turned out really good. It's not overly sweet. It tastes like a cornbread cake. Try it. It was nice, it was moist, and it was buttery. You could serve it with warm butter and honey. That is delicious. As you can see, I sliced it. It is moist. It is delicious. I melted some butter on the top of it. And honey, it was delicious. It was a hit for Thanksgiving. We have made cornbread cake, or sweet cornbread. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and